When children are building, testing, and exploring, they're not just playing, they're building their brains. According to the Center on the Developing Child at Harvard University, children's brains develop through experiences and interactions. Every time a child tries something new, neural connections in the brain are formed and strengthened. Hands-on learning is especially powerful because it engages multiple parts of the brain at once. Research supported by the National Science Foundation shows that children learn best when they are actively exploring, testing, and problem-solving. When children build, experiment, and even make mistakes, they are developing executive function skills like focus, self-control, and flexible thinking, skills that are essential for success in school and life. The National Institute for Play also highlights that play supports brain development, creativity, and learning. This is why STEM and maker activities are so powerful in after-school programs. Even when it looks like play, children are actively learning and building critical skills. So when you provide hands-on opportunities, you're not just keeping children busy, you're helping their brains grow.